Hi, this is Eric Sema, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update and complete your activities. Your activities in Redtail are appointments, tasks, and phone calls. The majority of the activities I'm going to show you today are going to be activities. You can see here on your calendar that the activities are listed by the day of the week is shown on top here, starting with Sunday, ending with Saturday. At the top here, there's all-day events. They'll show up on the very top, and then throughout here you'll see the timeline, 11 o'clock, noon, 1 o'clock, and so on. So today is Thursday the 22nd, so I've got some activities here in blue still that are open activities. That means I haven't completed them. I may have done them, but I haven't told the computer that I completed them. So a couple of different things you can do. You can open the activity specifically. Now this one is a recurring event. You can tell that on top here in this yellowish orangish band that says apply changes to all dates, this and future dates, or this date only. So I want to treat this as just a very specific activity for that date. So I'm going to say just that date only. And over the bottom, I want to update and complete it. Now if I update it, if I add a note here, and I hit update, that note will be saved in there forever. If I hit update and complete is what I'm looking for. I'm going to complete this activity. If there's follow-up from the activity, you hit update, complete, and new, and I'll show you that in a different one. For this time, I'm just going to hit update and complete, and then hit OK. Now it'll change to orange to indicate that it is complete. Now these other ones here that I know I've taken care of them, and the follow-up has been documented separately, so I don't need to document that. A faster way to complete all those versus going into each one is like this. If you go to your dashboard and hit today's overview, on the very top, it'll show you your calendar, and it'll show you what's past due. So I see Tuesday the 20th here, everything from whatever you have in your calendar. So on the top I had a run. So I just want to check the ones that I'm going to mark as complete. So I had the finance meeting, I went to lunch, and I'm just clicking the meetings that happened on Tuesday. If I just want to stop there, I can right click, hit complete activity, hit OK, and it'll do that for all of those. Now you'll see that everything moved up because those Tuesday meetings are gone. If I go back to the calendar, they should all be there in orange now to indicate they're done. You can change the color coding. This is a default color coding that the computer gives you. Tasks are green, appointments are blue, completed activities become orange. So let's take a look at a task in green here. So this, I put it as all day, meaning I do it whenever I can take care of it. I already took care of it, but I want to leave it here so I can show you how to complete it. That was an alarm, or when you have certain activities, they can pop up and remind you. I wasn't sure. That was looked like it was this one here. Regardless of what it was, let's get back on track here, and let's go to, on 5/22, I need to follow up on a request from Amanda regarding eDocs and the M&O software update with Alan Peck. I know it's with Alan because down here, if I click on that, it takes me directly to his contact page. I can go back to the activity itself. On the calendar, if I click on the activity, it'll bring up just his activity with the calendar in the background. So I need to follow up on this request. So I did that, but before I show you how to complete that, here's something that's unique. Let's say it's the end of the day on Thursday. I haven't got to this. I need to do it tomorrow. He's gone for the day. I can't follow up. I can simply, I can change the date in a couple ways. One, I can open it again, and I can go here and change the date and say that I want to do on the 23rd. In this case, I hit update, and what it'll do is simply update the date and nothing else. If I update and complete it, it'll move it to tomorrow, but it'll show it as complete. So I want to just hit update. It's going to move from here to there. Okay, so that's one way to move it. Another way to move it, I'll move it back, is simply to click on it and drag it over there. Pretty easy. So if I needed to defer this to tomorrow, I could simply grab it and move it to tomorrow or Saturday. But since I did complete it, I'm going to bring it back to today. I'm going to open it up. In the notes, I follow it up with a phone call, and then I also sent an email. So I'm going to copy the email, And I'm going to paste it into the notes section. Now that I have that in there, I'm going to complete this. Since I didn't contact him directly and he hasn't responded to my email yet, I'm going to hit Update, Complete, and New. That's one button. Update it, complete it, and create a new one. When I do that, the old one's completed, a new appointment comes up. The contact stays the same, it's still for Alan. I'm going to change it to a task. I'm going to tab around so I don't miss anything. So the tab button goes to Activity. The activity is follow up on change of broker-dealer activity. And since I have the notes from today's email, I can refer to that before I call him to get reacquainted with the situation. It's not going to be today, obviously, so I'm going to do it a week from today. I'll do it next Wednesday, actually, so I pick the date there. I tabbed to the next section, which is the time. I don't want a specific time. I'm going to mark all day, so it'll appear on the top. And there's no notes I need to put in there. It's assigned to me. And I hit Save Activity. If I jump, so now you'll see that the activity for Alan is orange, meaning complete. If I jump to the 28th, on top there, I'll see the activity for Alan on the morning of the 28th. So that's a look at how you can update and complete your activities. Again, activities are appointments, tasks, and phone calls. Different ways you can individually do them. You can move them around by clicking and dragging or opening them up and changing them, or you can go to the dashboard and affect multiple ones at the same time. Thank you.